Right. So I got your new best friend.
Yeah.
So this is the FAUXblo. So it's going to give you a blowout look without even blow dry. So we're going to just do it on your hair, like now that it's dry.
Yeah.
It should be dry, right?
Okay.
And the best part is, I know you've probably watched me or your stylist, like how we wheel the round brush while we're blow drying, which is,
Hard.
kind of difficult. So in this case, you just do your section, but you have both your hands and you just do what you normally, like what we do, like twisting like this. On this case, I'm just going to do like that kind of look where you just get that.
Oh, wow.
So the difference is that it's more of a blowout. It's not necessarily a curl.
You're right.
Right?
Right.
It's like what you would be doing to get a blowout in your hair. Volume, smoothness, body, movement.
Yeah.
Not necessarily curl.
Right. Okay.
I love it. Give it a try.
Yeah, sure.
So you want to just grab a little piece. Let's start with your front piece. Okay, right here. Like maybe this piece here.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Because it just, in the beginning, especially starting with smaller pieces, is simple.
Right.
You're just going to do the same technique.
Yep.
Get that up in there. And then I think it's like a crochet hook where you bring this underneath it and around that way.
Oh, okay.
And keep spinning.
And keep spinning. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I love this because it's like a simple little curl without having to,
Yeah. It's a natural.
It's natural. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So if I just want bend to have the angles come towards my face a little bit, what would I do?
Yeah, exactly. Just do it like you would be using a brush.
Okay.
Now you're going back. If you wanted to angle to your face, you should be going forward. That would be the difference. So see how you're going back? Whereas you would bring it towards your
face, like
yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I got it. So I would want to go.
Yes, exactly. And then hold it in there for a minute.
Okay.
Because you do, like, I keep saying a minute, 5-10 seconds, because we want that to have.
Ooh, look at that.
Right?
Oh, wow.
So instead of it being poker straight, like that,
just
here,
a little movement.
This is so straight. Yeah. And now you just have the movement on the end.
Right.
It's so natural, right?
It is.
What do you think?
And that was easy. It was so easy. What size is that?
So this was the 1 3.
Okay.
So it's the perfect size for longer hair.
It just gives it so much body. It's so great. I love it.